Hi there, welcome to day 17 of Science Challenge. Hopefully all of these are science challenges that you can do at home with the things that you've got in your house. Today we're going to have a go at invisible ink. Okay, so really simple one, you just need a few little things. You either need a fresh lemon or some lemon juice, cotton wool buds or a paintbrush, and a little bit of water as well as some paper. Okay, so to make your invisible ink, all you need to do is to squeeze your lemon. I've already squeezed this a little bit into here, or you can use lemon juice. Both of them work equally well. Add just a little bit of water to your lemon juice and give it a bit of a stir round. Okay, then using cotton wool bud, you're going to put your ink onto your paper and write your message. Okay, make sure that you get a good covering of lemon juice on your paper. When you've finished your secret message, you're then going to leave it to dry. Okay, so you need to leave it to dry before you do your next stage. So here's two that I have previously prepared. Okay, so on here is my first secret message. On this one is my second. So there's a various number of ways to reveal your secret message, but basically you've got to expose your paper to heat in order to see your message. The reason for that is because the lemon juice will become oxidized. So you might want to do a bit of research and find out what it means to be oxidized. But as it oxidizes, it turns brown. So hopefully when you heat your paper, you should be able to see your writing. So there are a couple of ways to do this. For this, you're going to need the supervision of an adult. Okay, the first way is to use the heat of a candle. Okay, so you're going to light your candle and then you're going to hold your paper over your candle fairly close, but obviously not to set light to your paper, which is why you must be supervised by an adult or even get an adult to do it. So I'm just going to hold my paper over my flame. Okay, so my message is starting to reveal. There's a couple of spots there where it's gone a bit brown. That's where I've held it just slightly too close to the flame. So just make sure when you hold it over there that you lift it as soon as you see it starting to go brown. Okay, so that's our first technique. You can see my message starting to come through. Okay, I'm going to show you another technique now, which might be slightly quicker. Okay, so I'm going to try and iron them instead. Okay, so if you pop your piece of paper onto the ironing board, I've got my iron on here. I've got it not set onto steam, but I've got it on hot. Yeah, I'm going to use a tea towel just to cover my paper, just to stop it from catching. Okay, and then I'm just going to really slowly move my iron over my paper. Okay, so I've been doing this for a little while. To speed things up, you can always remove your tea towel and carry on with that. The reason why I suggested putting a tea towel there is just to keep your iron nice and clean, but once your sheet is very dry, it should be okay anyway. All right, so I've been doing this, like I say, for a few minutes now. Okay, but my messages are coming through. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to see them in a moment. I'll hold them up. So you could do a secret message, a coded message, a spy message. You could tell someone where the buried treasure was. You could also find out a little bit about oxidation reactions. Okay, so here are my secret messages. Using my invisible ink. Have a bit of fun. Enjoy. See you tomorrow.